Hi everyone, I'm Carol. Today I will show you the Shopee app. Shopee is a buying and selling app. You can find all kinds of products at low prices and with great deals. You have the Shopee guarantee, refunds, and customer service through your chat Shopee. In addition, they do free shipping and have discount coupons. First, we go to the App Store or Google Play. Then we write Shopee in the search bar. We press the app and download. Look, it says they ship free. We grant the required permit. You have a welcome discount. Once downloaded, we open it and sign up or log in. If you already have an account like me, just log in. Here are the products in the purchase process, your wish list, and the chat Shopee. In this bar, you will write what you want to buy or see. This time, we will buy a sewing kit. We need to compare prices to get the lowest price. To add a product to your wish list, press the heart. Here you can see your favorite product. We will buy the first. To add it to our shopping cart, click here. Press the shopping cart to see the products you have added. Then you have to select what you will buy. Check or add your address or the address you want the package to be sent to. Check the coupons that you can apply to your purchase. If there are coupons, use the one of your preference, or if you like, don't use any. This is where you can choose the payment method. You have all these options. Check that the price of the product and the estimated delivery date are to your liking. When you have already followed these steps, you can confirm your order. So far today's tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.